Hello guys, I am Daddy the Guitarist. Welcome to this tutorial, Mario by Franco Luambo Macchiadi. This song is very easy. I'm going to teach you this song very quick. Okay? So, this is what I want you to do. Come to the key of D. Come to the key of D and I want you to play a power chord in the key of D. This shape, I always call it a shape 7. This shape, I always call it a shape 7. Alright? This shape, I always call it a shape 7. So come and play your key of D here. Come and play your key of D here. Take your first finger, place it on the second fret, play string 4, 3, 2, and 1. And then take your second finger, place it on the third fret, second string. Take your third finger, place it on the fourth fret, fourth string. That's your D. Now I want you to add your pinky finger on the fifth fret and play the fifth string. Now play all of them. You have a power chord. So that is where Mario begins from or starts from. That place. So I want you to play these 5 notes like this. I want you to play these 5 notes like this. Are we together? So I want you to play, this is a D note. Are you seeing it clearly? This is a D note. Play a D note. I want you to play an E note. That's an E note. I want you to play a G sharp note or an F sharp note. I want you to play an A note. And I want you to play a G note. Are we together? Let me repeat one more time. I want you to play a D note. I want you to play an E note. I want you to play a G sharp note or an F sharp note. I want you to play an A note. And I want you to finish with a G note. So in total you have, are you seeing? Just follow the procedure I've given you. Are we together? We move forward. Our next progression is, I want you to go to the key of G with a shape 1. I always call this a shape 1. Nickname it shape 1. Okay, so go to the shape 1, key of G. Just go to the key of G and play a shape 1. How do you play a shape 1 in case you don't know? A shape 1 is played like this. Take your first finger, place it on the third fret, first string and second string. Confirm. Take your second finger, place it on the fourth fret, third string. Take your third finger, place it on the fourth string, fifth fret. And play bottom 4 strings. That is your shape 1. Now we are in the key of G. Okay? So this is what I want you to do. This is what I want you to do. Immediately after doing, you have already entered the key of G. Alright? When you enter the key of G, I want you to play string 2 and string 3. Play string 3 first and then play string 2. Play string 3, play string 2, and play string 3. Okay, so you have that. Now I want you to repeat this same shape. Now move to the key of A. Repeat this same shape in the key of A. The key of A is here. You see those dots? That's the key of A. Repeat what you did here. Repeat this process here. Just repeat everything you've done here. Here. Just repeat here. 3, 2, 3. Then slide to the key of A, play the fourth string, and then now play second string and play string 3. From the key of G, slide to the key of A. That's a fourth string I'm playing. Then play string 2 and play string 3. So in total you have go again and do the same thing. So we are not done. The last step, let me show you the last step, and then we finish. Now there is something missing. What is missing? A technique. So I want you to come to the key of, no, not key, it's a technique, all right? So where in the key of A, on the top, in the key of A, just in the top, the second string, I want you to play a pull-off. Okay, what is a pull-off? In case you don't know what a pull-off is a technique whereby you play a note, in its original tone, in its original form. Okay, for example, that note, that sound is the original sound for that note. Now when I add a pull-off, it will sound differently. Have you understood? So I want you to play. Let us find this note. This is the G sharp note. Let me put it this way. This is the G sharp note. Second string, 7th fret. I want you to play the G sharp note, and then by fire by force, when the note is still ringing, release your finger like this. Are we together? So after doing, I want you to result to the D note. I want you to result to the D note, 3rd string, 7th fret. So and then I want you again, here we are resulting it 2 times. Then from there I want you to result it now to the last note, which is the E note. So you have, let me adjust my volume. Okay, have you gotten it? Then now move forward, and then from that I want you now to play the key of G, but nataka uvute hivi. I want you to slide like this. Slide, but make sure you start from the G note, okay? And then play string 2 and string 3. So you have, okay? So guys, that is how this thing sounds. Now, in case you are interested in playing the solo, I've already uploaded the solo tutorial on my YouTube, and my YouTube handle is Daddy the Guitarist Official. Alright, so you can just go and learn the solo there. Now, this solo is what I'm talking about. Okay?